Oh no!
Oh my god! No. Phew. Does it get any better than this? I should put on some sunscreen. I don't want to burn. Ugh, I can't reach. Oh, I know. Hey, can you help me?
Sure. Guess so.
Could you use your roller?
Nope. No way!
Fine, I'll do it myself.
You're crazy, lady!
Let's try this again. I'll put my sunscreen onto the roller. And now I can put it on my back. It actually feels good. Like a mini massage. That's it all done.
Wow. That's such a good idea.
Time to work on my tan.
Whoa, that was a bumpy landing.
Ah!
Get back here!
So this is Earth.
This is just like in the movies! It's so cool!
I should investigate.
Leave me alone!
Time to go, but first, let's dance. Oh yeah.
Help!
Check these moves. Oh, this is pretty, huh?
Ah! Stay back! I'm innocent!
Yeah, they all say that. Stop running! I'm so unfit! Never! I'm in it! At least not for a rest! I'm not a cardio guy! Catch me if you can! Ugh, you're in so much trouble!
Earthlings are weird.
Where did he go? Over there! Do you think he's a ghost? Phew! What was that? I don't like this. Something's not right here. It's like he just disappeared. Come on. I'm so glad they didn't look up. Aha! A clue. Just as I thought. It's from a tree. This way. Ow! Ugh! My leg! That's gonna hurt. Ah!
Don't worry, Earthling. Use this.
Okay.
Wrap it around your leg.
It's helping already. Thanks. Uh-oh! We've got you now! Whoa. Is that an alien?
Stop.
So, what now?
Now, we dance.
Oh. Feel that rhythm.
It's kinda catchy, right?
What's going on? Don't fight it! I feel so alive!
Oh, yeah.
I love this! Hold me! Ugh. Wait! Look!
Run.
Get after them! Go! 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 It's great to be outdoors.
I know! It's perfect! We should do this more often.
I feel at one with nature. Do you hear something?
What is that?
Fresh meat.
Alex, I'm scared.
Quick! Into the tent!
Just what we need.
I hate nature.
Look at this.
These are fancy.
Who are they?
Where did they go?
Oh my gosh! I can't look!
What's this? These smell bad, but they taste good.
Ugh, are they eating my sneakers?
There's something in here. Ah!
What are they doing? You need to do something! What if they come in here?
Ooh, yummy. Give give me that.
No! Stay away!
Let go!
This is it!
Ooh, pretty. Let go! Mine. Oh, juice. It feels good, though. Wow, look. Never mind. What are these? I'm beautiful.
I want it.
It's mine.
What's that? Got it!
Empty a tube of toothpaste and cut off the bottom section. Next, we need a balloon. Cut the neck from the balloon. Now slip the balloon over the toothpaste tube. Just like this. Remove the cap from the tube. Next, use a syringe to draw the body wash from the tube. This'll make it easier later. Use a syringe to inject the body wash into the balloon. Then replace the cap.
Look what I have. Wow, these are great. This has been a great day. Let's get out of here.
I think they're gone. Look at our things!
Let's go home!
Good idea.
This is amazing! It's the perfect day!
Huh? What's she doing?
Come on in, it's great!
No!
Fine. Hold on. Woo!
Can we go swimming? Come on, it'll be fun. Think of all the fish we'll see.
No! No way!
Aww. I have an idea. It's time to get to work. This looks like a good spot. Let's do this. This is hard. But it's gotta be done. It's going well. I think that's it. Okay, put down the plastic sheet. Quit messing around. I'll push it down. That's it. Spread it out. I think we're ready. Wow. Awesome. Come on, fill it up. Look at all that water. We did it! Our own private pool! Woohoo! Make yourself comfortable. Hey, catch! No! Stop!
What are they doing? Kids, huh?
What a day. It's so warm. I need to cool down. I need to put the aircon on. Why isn't it working? Ugh, it's so frustrating. I'm sweating so much. Ugh, that's so gross. I need to make a call. Hello? I need your help.
Hey, lady.
Hi. Fix my air conditioning.
Yeah, sure. I've got this. Hold on. Oh, yeah. I need to buy tools. I forgot about that.
Is there a problem?
Nope. I'll be right back.
Hey!
Aha. This is what I need. This jar is perfect. I'll keep the candy for later. And I'll take this cloth. I'll just run it under the faucet. I need to soak it. That should be enough. Now I'll fold it. Then roll it up. And it can go in the jar. I'll add a few more.
What? I want to cool down! This is a waste of time!
Lady, I'm a professional.
I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
This can go in the freezer. And now we wait. That should be enough time. I'll take it out now. Time to cool off. Hey, lady. Okay, that's weird.
Oh, you're still here!
Try this.
This is so stupid.
Put it on your head.
Oh, that feels so good! It's so cool and refreshing!
It'll cost you. Allow me. That'll do.
Yeah, whatever.
Just doing my job. See ya. This is so relaxing. Just me and my thoughts. Huh? Whoa! A mermaid! Hi.
Hi.
Aw, you're my dream girl.
That's so cute. Okay.
Ugh!
What? What's wrong?
I've got this.
Has your crush got an oral hygiene problem? Don't worry. All you need is some lipstick. Remove the lipstick from the tube. Next, take a toothbrush and cut off the handle. Now apply glue to the inside of the lipstick tube. We want to fill the tube. Then stick the toothbrush to the tube.
This should fix things. Hey, try this. You'll have minty fresh breath. And then we can kiss. Hey! Where'd she go? Oh, I blew it.
No matter where you are and what problems you face, there's always a hack to make life easier. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.